Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Ark Survival Evolved on mobile. First, download the game from your app store. Once installed, you'll choose between single-player or multiplayer. For a more relaxed experience, pick player versus environment. If you enjoy competition, player versus player is for you. Then, customize your character's look and starting attributes. You're now ready to dive into the prehistoric world and begin your survival journey. Survival is key in Ark. Start by punching trees and rocks to gather wood, thatch, and stone. Use these to craft your first tools, like a stone pick and hatchet, which greatly speed up resource collection. Next, build a simple thatch hut for protection against wild creatures and harsh weather. Always keep an eye on your hunger, thirst, and stamina meters. Staying fed and hydrated is crucial for staying alive in this challenging world. Taming dinosaurs is one of Ark's most exciting features. First, you need to knock out your desired creature, often with tranquilizer arrows or a slingshot. Once unconscious, place its preferred food, like berries for herbivores or meat for carnivores, into its inventory. You'll need to guard it from other wild animals while it slowly tames. After it wakes up, craft a saddle, and you can ride your new companion, using its strengths to your advantage. As you progress, you'll gain experience and unlock engrams, allowing you to craft more advanced tools and structures. Upgrade your base from fragile thatch to sturdy wood, and eventually to resilient stone, for enhanced protection. Venture into diverse biomes to discover unique resources and encounter formidable creatures. Consider joining a tribe. Teamwork makes surviving and thriving in Ark much easier, allowing you to tackle larger challenges and build impressive bases together.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.